Young Nail's new Boho Foils are out right now. Look at these things. These things are gorgeous. Greg's gonna show you all of it right now.
This Memorial Day weekend, we have another new product that we're gonna be bringing out. This is the Boho Foil Transfer Kit. Boom! As you can see, this is going to add some killer styles to your designs. I'm gonna show you guys how to apply it in a smile line application, and then I'm gonna use it to trace around the edges of the other two nails. It's gonna complement the enhancements really well. Let me show you how easy this is to do. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this beautiful kit out, and I'm gonna go ahead and choose this one, right? So I'm gonna just cut out a small piece right here, right? Just clip off that small piece. Let me just go ahead and put this to the side. You can see the underside has nothing, all the design, right, is real nice and bright and beautiful on top. I'm gonna go ahead and take the foil transfer base. Let's go ahead and get a nice healthy amount. And what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna kind of paint it into a really nice smile. It doesn't have to be perfect. We can clean it up after we are done. Once we actually have this on, I'm going to let this sit, right, for at least a minute, right? That way it gets nice and tacky, and it's gonna release the design from the foil transfer really well. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get this down in the middle, and then I'm just gonna start working it to the outside edges with real firm pressure. I want to constantly work it from side to side, making sure that everything is going to stick. All right, boom. And then once we actually have everything on, I'm just going to release it, and you can see how well the design appears on top of the free edge. Now I'm going to show you how to clean this up. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit of acetone. I don't wanna flood the surface, so what I wanna do is I'm gonna dip it in and just kind of clean my brush, and then I'm just gonna kind of clean up around the edges. Just be really, really gentle. Again, don't flood the surface. What I'm gonna do is dip it and spin, and then what I can do is just lightly come around the edges and just really kind of tighten everything up. You can see how nice and sharp everything gets right here. This is a great way to add perfection to your smile line with your foil transfer design. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I don't wanna get any protein bond around the foil design, but what I'd like to do is just get a little bit of protein bond around the back end, around that cuticle area, right? That way it kind of secures it if there's any space. That way the top coat basically secures itself around the perimeter of the nail. And then what I'm going to do is take finish gel, and we're going to apply a nice even coat from cuticle to free edge. This is going to seal the design. And what I want to do is I want to make sure that I'm getting the finish kind of like around the edges to seal it all into perfection. All right. Let's go ahead and get this inside the light for a minimum of 1 minute. To complement the smile line in the middle, I'm gonna use the foil transfer to highlight the edges of the other two nails. It's gonna make the design look really cool. So remember, you guys, this Memorial Day, this Boho Kit is limited edition. Look out for future education on how to incorporate these new products into future designs.
If you enjoyed our video, please give us a like and also subscribe to our channel. Free education, tons of videos that you can watch. You can head into our insane library and get educated on nails right now.